Good day at home, I'm your host Will and Cloud, and welcome to a little update. Let's just say, let's make things a little bit different. I know it's Subnautica, it's Genshin Impact and all of those. Let's make something different about this thing. As you can see, I have new shiny rims. Okay, they are new, they aren't shiny, they are used, second-hand, dirty, and they lost the clear lacquer. If you can see, this is not shiny. These wheels are completely washed. See? They are washed. So this is when your lacquer disappears. This is the effect. The color is coming off. So I will make a video how I spray these ones and give a little mwah to it. But now today's video is about I'm selling these tires. I'll be selling them because as obviously I have these. Why do I need these? Now you're asking me why this weird wheel is there. This is the spare wheel. This is the original BMW spare wheel. See? BMW. This is the spare wheel. But I don't want a wheel that's max limited to 50 miles per hour. I put one of these instead. So I have in the rear one of these wheels. So a replacement for this small donut. Now I have my pressure washer. Actually, it's not mine, it's my boss pressure washer. So he lent me. I'll use my assortment of tools. I will use the Maguire's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Changing color as it cleans. Good job! Now my usual assortment. This brush for the rim itself. With this brush you brush the rubber, not the face. You go like that. That's why it has such a handle. For the inside. And you can see it's rusted a bit. For the harder to reach spots. And for the face itself. And I bought an attachment for the Karcher. Because this spray is a bit better than the original Karcher one. Obviously, for myself, no, not for you, no. This is mine. Got that? That's mine. And obviously, some Soundcore headphones for me, as this is getting loud. And for you, it will be loud too. Come on, I'm holding with the camera there. Hello. These are the Q7 Lite, whatever, noise cancelling, blah 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 headphones. Basically, these are very good. If you want to have a review about these headphones, I'm using them for 3 months already and I'm fucking loving it. If you want a review, tell me in the comments down below. But now, I'll put you right here somewhere, on the bonnet of the car, so you can see what's going on, and I'll clean the wheels. And I'll just give you a short time lapse. So, plunk. And lovely. And now you can go sit there. Actually, you slide in. I hope it was cringy enough for you. Let's switch them on. It's on, and here, have your headphones. Have your music. This is where the actual change will start, because this all is dirt. That's inside the wheel. Nobody's actually cleaning inside the wheel. Usually people are cleaning on the outside of the wheel, so you don't see the inside. So you can see the inside is not that good looking. Yeah, so we need our good old all-wheel cleaner. It's changing colors. Let's see. Let's spray this baby down, and you will see on the tire itself it will get brown. I can guarantee you. Now let's wait, and you will see the stone, this all white stuff, will turn purple. Like there. Instantly it turned purple, see? Right here. I'm gonna spray the other wheels and then we come back to this. See, it didn't take that long. This all is ironized. I don't actually know. I'm not to pretend I'm a smart ass. Basically this is the bad stuff, what shouldn't be on your wheels. Obviously, as the inside of the wheel never gets cleaned, that's how it looks like. And it's not only this one. That's the spare wheel, it never was on the road. Huh, this is the same looks like. And see, even this one, the small particles. Now, once I start to clean, you will see how it actually goes. Let's get our bucket here. As this face is never cleaned, let's see how this will turn out. Oh yeah, that's brown. That's actually brown. You know when you have this coloration on the rubber, that's the ozone leaking. This is the one way to save your wheels so they don't deteriorate that fast. Okay, look. This brush should be white, it's not. And now let's go for the hard stuff. This is quite rough. I don't know how clean I will get it. It won't be that clean because here is no lacquer. You can see that the stains are staying there. It's getting cleaner. Stains will be staying. Inside of the rim never has lacquer, or it just disappears so fast. So yeah, once I'm spraying these wheels that's on the car, I'll put on them lacquer. You wouldn't see that. Look at that discoloration. Here it's all purple, here it's all brown. Let me shrug this wheel down fully. Remember, I'm using only the metal now. The metal with those stiff brushes. Otherwise it will get pretty. Otherwise nothing will come off basically. This stuff doesn't smell that good, by the way. I wish they would make like cherry scent, apple scent, any other scent than this one. You will see how this wheel will transform. After I hose it up with water, you will see. It's all brown. Okay, let's get this one to get inside the grooves. Look at the color of the foam. Should be white. Should be. Obviously nobody's watching here, so it's brown, purple because of the cleaner, and black. I hope you're hyped for the result. This is only one wash, you can do another one. It will be much cleaner. That looks much cleaner, doesn't it? It looks more white, but as you can see, with my finger I can still clean off. So this will need another go. And that's the back of the wheel. I'm just cleaning this wheel for the owners, for the next owners to actually see that the wheel is solid. I would like to do now is just to spray some hybrid wax on the wheels, that you can see that all these puddles and all this runs away. So dry and shine hybrid wax. You just give it a, usually you give one on the rim and that's it, but I'll give an extra one so it goes inside, and for this one too. And after 5 seconds it will look like this. I don't know if you can see all the drips. See all the drips? That's how it will look. Now it doesn't look like that. See, it's pulled up. Look at that. Instantaneous results. Now you can just put it on the car. Once they're dry, I will dry them off, put some wheel dressing. I have one in the spray can. Tire shine. I'll just put the tire shine on the front and on the back. The back I won't do it with the wax. It's a waste of wax. I'll put some tire shine on, take some pictures. This is on the base models. This wheel coming on the base models. So obviously you cannot compare this to that beauty. And once they are sprayed and they have the little feature I want to give them, they will look just freaking awesome. And now when you look at it, how these wheels started out, how they are now, they look much better, even though they're still dirty, and it would take like 2-3 more times on a heavy brush just to make them good. But I'm just selling them. Took a little time. It took like 50 minutes to do outside, inside, the clear, to get a little bruise from the spare wheels, so be careful. The spare wheels are sharp, so be careful. Now I'll take pictures and I'll put the pictures around, somewhere around here, around my face. The picture will be around my face. And they're going for a sale. I don't know where, but they're selling. And now you know that I have a nice upgrade. If you liked this video and you like how I wasted my time cleaning the insides of the wheel, of course, smash the like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next one. Bye bye! Some of you might want to know how dirty is the water. This dirty. Let me wiggle these ones out. Let me get all the juices out from these ones.